We're going to the zoo today. Hooray, hooray, hooray! Hooray! Lions roar and monkeys swing. So many animals that play and sing. Let's go on a zoo adventure. Oh, what fun! See the elephants march one by one. Tigers pounce and giraffes stand tall. In the zoo, we'll meet them all. The zebra stripes are black and white. Parrots talking with colors so bright. Penguins waddle, such a funny sight. We'll have a zoo day from morning to night. Look over there, the kangaroos hop. And by the pond, the frogs go plop. We'll see a cheetah that's super fast. The zoo's full of wonders, let's make it last. The sun sets low, it's time to go. But the zoo will stay